Hello friends, Namaskar. This is MD Pandya. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all have enjoyed my previous video. Thanks for your love, supports, like, share and subscribes. And also thankful for your comments. Friends, keep continue. It's motivating me always, all the time. Friends, my previous part 5 having some screen size issue, that's why I am releasing another video, this video. I have taken care for the screen and volume everything. So friends, enjoy the part 5A. This is purely maintenance, operation, project, management, the dynamic ERP part 5. It is dynamic all the time. Friends, not taking much time, flying directly to the point. Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you have understood the concept. Last time what we discussed about reactive, preventive, predictive, cost, life cycle, spares, everything. Friends, now everything we are doing for the money, correct? Previously also I told, now also I am telling, everything for the money only. So why we need to do all data sciences, data analysis, practical analysis, everything? Ultimately our aim is to save the money, right? So with this we can save the money. To save the money, important thing is first we should know what is our spending. Now with the help of this my designed system, you can able to know what are the works, what are the scopes, and what is the time, and what should be the time, and what you spent. So friends, if I will say you as a director or MD of this company, if I will ask my manager or GM or plant head that come with me for the budget, and we will discuss after 1 hour. So what do you think? Any company almost 600-700 having assets, is it easy to present the budget, and is it wise to think for the budget within a 1 hour? Since that budget will give you the projection for the entire year, so it has to be accurate, it has to be tuned to optimize the effectiveness and to get the output, optimize the output or improve the output. Yes, and if I am saying that it is not a matter of hour, it is a matter of few minutes. Yes friends, I required only few minutes. I required only few minutes to prepare the budget for the next entire year. Not only it's not a matter of money, it is a matter of the availability, it is a matter of the productivity, it is a matter of the improvements, it is a matter of the optimized utilization of the resources. So it will give your projection, it will give your strategy how you are going to handle my company for the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. It depends. So friends, yes, you can do. It's a matter of minutes only. Don't worry. Here for that only I have made specially to make you understand this prototype. See, every day, every time I am giving you different. The idea behind is there is no limitation of the utilization of this designed system ERP. It is up to you what you want. Friends, here with the help of this all my sheets, correct? Little bit I will decrease it. Yeah, fine. So now you can able to see here what I have done. This is a purely machine performance plus repair and R&M budget for the next year. Friends, it is made asset wise, it is made department or unit wise. Friends, what, see here again I will tell you here what I have done. Even we can project what is our plan. The same thing if I am changing the year here, because with the help of this, thanks to my system, that I can able to see, I can able to calculate, I can able to decide the time for the preventive, predictive, everything. So consider this is a 21 and here even we can put 22, 23 also. So what? This was the plan. Then in April 21 it has been planned. The availability has been planned. So I can show you these are the various segments, various units starting from 301 to 316, right? 3116. So see, this is based on the scheduled required importance of preventive and predictive. It can be decided as per the application, right? So based on that, it has been decided that 99.48% is the planned. Friends, please understand. Here now we are not talking about any breakdown. You throw that breakdown. There is no breakdown at all. Everything is planned, nothing unplanned. That is why the importance of maintenance. If it is not planned, there is not a requirement of maintenance. Please understand. So I have planned 3101 unit has been planned for the availability of 99.48%. That is my budget. That is my strategy. See, I am declaring. So see, as a MD, as a director of the company, I should know how much output I can get from my assets. So here I can easily, 99.48% availability is cleared, means I can get the production without any disturbance, right? Now what else other area? Friends, next subsequent my videos we are going to discuss other aspects, other segments of the organization. Since it is a hard, first I am discussing with you about maintenance. That's why I have started sharing a video for the maintenance first, because almost availability is planned. See, resources has to be ensured. That is prime requirement, and which is here assets. Assets availability is important one, because as a marketing director, if I am getting the order, I am trying to get more and more orders, but if I am not able to manufacture the component, what will happen? It will spoil my image. I will lose lot of things. So before, see, I am not only depend on marketing, I need my assets also available. So that's why it has been planned. So here the assets has been planned for 99.48, 99.87, 99.66, 3104, 100%, 3105, 99.99%, 3106, 99.87%, 3107, 99.73%, 3108, 99.35%, like that. Now, this is actual. This was the plan. This is the actual. So, nice one. It's a really nice one. See what you are planning and what you are doing, what you are completing. So here 31001, 99.48 against 99.53, right? So that is why every time I am using one word, dynamic. See, based on the performance from April, May, June, July, August, I can change my plan also. Previously I have planned for the 52%, 0.52%, but now I have reduced it and I have utilized the 0.47%, right? That is why this one is dynamic, thanks to this system. So you can change. Wherever required you can increase, wherever not required you can decrease, or wherever you want to adjust you can adjust. So it is a matter of accuracy. See friends, one thing is clear. Here we are not going to check plan versus actual, because the system itself will arrange for that. But not only that, system will also ensure the accuracy level. System will also ensure the effectiveness, right? So this is the availability utilized. Now see, we'll take the randomly the case of 99.58, 3108. That is 42%, right? Previously it was planned for 35, right? 35 means it's a 40 and 60, 65%. So it has to be utilized somewhere 0.65%, whereas actually it has been utilized for 0.42%, right? So what means, we have made some plan, but practically when we have run, this system has evolved something and given the feedback. That is why this is closed loop feedback. That feedback utilized and we have adjusted the plan. So this is the availability utilized. Here friends, it includes preventive, predictive, reactive, everything, right? So you will feel that how it can be possible. Yes friends, don't worry about that. That is the importance of this system, because everywhere there is a feedback mechanism, everywhere there is a signaling, everywhere there is a trafficking, everywhere it is a monitoring, everywhere it is a dynamic at the entire range. So wherever you have taken some X action, if it is showing improvements, you will get the feedback. If it is showing that it is deteriorating, it will give you the feedback. So you can change accordingly. So that is why this one is the accurate one. Friends, you just try to view and listen this video again and again, and don't worry, give me your comments. I will explain you. Friends, previously I have also received some comments. Based on that I have improved. And thanks for giving me the comments. So I will also see screen clarity. Now you will get, it is a good one. Also the voice improvement is there. But my request only is, please try to see and listen and understand again and again. So once you will get the idea, so it will be easy for you in my subsequent videos to understand and implement the system. Now hope you have understood everything. Friends, here again I will show you. You can even go with the location wise, unit wise, right? Even you can go with the machine wise, right? And you can go with this machine wise. And if I am selecting here, right? So this is one. Now this is that is everything I have shown you in this first one, correct? If little bit I can even now you can able to see clearly. This is the availability. It includes PM minutes, it includes PD minutes, right? And it includes reactive. Friends, it has covered everything. For that I have not wasted my time additionally. What previously I have shown, same thing within a fraction of minutes, with the help of few minutes I can able to make this. You will also, don't worry, please understand the concept. Now this is a PM minutes. So already we discussed this. Everything I have shown you in first. This is predictive, right? And this is the reactive. Friends, even see, it can be easily, this objectives KPIs, you can monitor it, MTBF, MTTR or whatever, it is up to you. So everything is clear now. Now this is a budget. Friends, see, please understand, if I am earning 1000 rupees every day or every month or whatever it may be, 1000 rupees, consider 1000 rupees per day, and I am spending some X amount every day. So I can identify something, I can analyze something where I have spent, whether it is needed or not needed, or it can be delayed, or it can be with some addition of some cost, and it can be rearranged. So everything. So when I am deciding, example, how much money I require to run my business, so I should have the past, I should have the present, I should have the future, and based on past and present I can decide my future, right? So this is now here you can able to see that each and every unit, right, a little bit more, each and every unit, right, has been allocated some rupees based on what. If I can show you, yeah, friends, please see. What is my actual is 65.50 lakhs. This is prototype made for you to make you understand. Okay, and what I have shown for the current, that is 58.51 lakhs. So I have shown, say, everything for the cost. Again I am telling, and why I should do all this exercise. I should make this extraordinary world class system and everything. Why I should make? Because I want to reduce my expenditure. That's all. Then only my profitability will increase. Friends, again I previously also I told profit and profitability, correct? So you got that point. This is nothing but to improvement of the, of course it's a productivity, safety, environment and profitability. So 65 was the actual, 58 was the proposed. With the help of this everything, preventive, predictive, some modification, innovation, creativity, projects, expansion, everything, even though everything is increasing, I am able to present decreasing. That is the accuracy of the system. Now, since I have some data, right, I have the feedback mechanism, I know what is the actual spend and where I have wasted the money, where it can be spent more precisely, where I can improve. So everything with the help of this, thanks to this system, I can able to know, and that is why I am able to reduce the projection, right? So you can see this much I have spent, see, actual with the unit wise, different unit where I have spent how much, correct? Now what is my plan? So you can even compare, right? 3.46 and 22.11. I am proposing now 13.32, right? Because there is no projection. Here again I will tell, there are two things. When there is a matter of money, there are two things. One is capital, another one is R&M, right? This is the capital. See, this 13.61 is the capital. That's all. And this is my revenue, right? Repairs and maintenance. So this is prepared with the help of few minutes only, right? Hope you have got all these things. Continue to watching and listening. Also, please understand, don't hesitate to give me your comments. Definitely you will get the answer. Please understand, watch it again, listen it again and again. Definitely it is going to help you a lot. Thanks. Thanks for watching me. Friends, if you are new, still you have not subscribed, please immediately subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll meet very soon. Namaskar.